Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to share how you can make money on Boomplay as an artist. Okay, so if you have your song released on Boomplay and you want to start making money, or if you are trying to upload your song on Boomplay and start making money from your song, this video is for you. So I'm going to break down everything from the scratch. So the very first thing to do is to release your song on Boomplay, right? And you can only do that with a music distributor, right? So there are different types of music distributors out there. There is DistroKid, which is actually the best, and there is TuneCore, which is also one of the best. There is United Master, there is 1RPM, and so many others. So you can use these distributors to release your song on Boomplay and other music streaming platform. Okay, so once you have your song on Boomplay, just like myself, I have my song on Boomplay. So I'm going to show you my account. So this is actually my Boomplay account, and right, so this is actually my Boomplay account, and as you can see right here, I've already verified my Boomplay account. Okay, so I just added the song just to show you guys and make some tutorials about Boomplay and other streaming platforms. Alright, so that's it. So this is actually my account. So you have to have some song release on Boomplay just like this, using any of the music distributor that I mentioned earlier. Then after that, you can now have a dashboard on the music distributor. For example, I'm using DistroKid. So this is my DistroKid account. So as you can see, this is my analytics. These are the streams I got from my song that are on music streaming platform. Okay, and I'm actually making something out of this, which I'm still going to show you. So here's the little cent I've actually earned from my songs on DistroKid. So you just have to use a distributor to release your song, and you just have to forget about any other thing. The money is going to come, the streams are going to come, so you just have to use it and they'll do everything for you. That's just it. So that's how you can actually make money on Boomplay. Hope this guide was helpful and you now have an idea on how you can make money from Boomplay. If you guys give this video a like, in case you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section down below, and please remember to subscribe to this channel so that you can learn more about how you can use Boomplay as an artist. Thanks for watching once again, and I'll see you in my next video.